Handmade jewelry is special, it's personal, you put love into it, and when you wear it, you feel that connection. Maybe it's a gift for someone you love. Maybe it's a treat for yourself. Either way, it's a piece of your heart. There's something magical about making something beautiful with your own two hands. It's empowering. So, are you ready? Let's get started. First things first, we need the right tools. Having the proper tools is essential to creating beautiful and professional-looking jewelry pieces. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy workshop. A small corner of your home will do just fine. Basic pliers, wire cutters, and some measuring tools are a great start. These are the fundamental tools that will help you manipulate and shape your materials. Wire cutters are essential for trimming your wire to the perfect length. You can find these at most craft stores. Many stores offer a wide variety of tools and materials, so take your time to explore and find what suits your needs best. Now for the fun part, materials. Beads, wire, stringing material, the options are endless. Think about the colors, shapes, and sizes of beads that appeal to you. Think about the kind of jewelry you want to make. Do you want to create elegant necklaces, playful bracelets, or statement earrings? Choose materials that inspire you. Pick your favorites. Have fun with it. Remember, the best part of jewelry making is expressing your creativity and personal style. So gather your tools and materials and let's get started on this exciting journey of crafting beautiful jewelry pieces. Before we start creating, let's sketch out our design. Don't worry, you don't need to be an artist. Just a simple drawing to visualize your idea. What kind of necklace, bracelet, or earrings do you see? Play with different shapes and arrangements of beads. Think about the colors and textures you want to use. This is your chance to be creative. Let your imagination run wild. Section 4. Bringing your vision to life. Cutting, shaping, and assembling. This is where your creativity truly takes form. Time to bring your design to life. Start by cutting the wire or stringing material to the desired length. Precision is key here, so take your time to measure accurately. Cut the wire or stringing material to the desired length. This step sets the foundation for your entire piece, so ensure you have the right measurements. Use your pliers to open and close jump rings or crimp beads to secure your pieces. These small components are crucial for holding your design together, so handle them with care. String your beads carefully, following your design. Each bead placement adds to the overall beauty of your piece, so be mindful of your pattern and color choices. Make adjustments as you go. It's your creation. Don't be afraid to tweak your design if something doesn't look right. Flexibility is part of the creative process. Remember to have fun and enjoy the process. Crafting is not just about the end product, but also about the joy and satisfaction you get from creating something with your own hands. Embrace the journey and let your creativity flow freely. Section 5. The art of finishing, polishing your creation. Your jewelry is almost done. Now it's time for the finishing touches. Gently polish your pieces with a soft cloth to remove any fingerprints or marks. Make sure all the clasps and closures are secure. You want your jewelry to be both beautiful and durable. Take a step back and admire your work. Section 6. The personal touch. Wearing and sharing your handmade jewelry. You did it! You've poured your creativity, time, and effort into crafting something truly special. You've created a unique piece of jewelry with your own two hands. Each bead, each twist of wire, and every clasp is a testament to your dedication and artistic vision. Put on your creation and feel the pride. There's a certain magic in wearing something you've made yourself. It's a blend of accomplishment and personal expression. It's more than just jewelry, it's a reflection of you. Your handmade pieces tell a story, your story. They capture your style, your personality, and your passion. Share your joy with others. When you wear your handmade jewelry, you inspire those around you. Your friends and family will see the love and effort you put into each piece. Give handmade jewelry as gifts. There's nothing more heartfelt than a gift made with your own hands. It shows thoughtfulness and care, making the recipient feel truly special. Every time you wear or share your creations, you're sharing a piece of your heart. Your handmade jewelry becomes a cherished memory, a token of love and creativity that lasts a lifetime.